making this, how to drain the clothes and how to drain the uses water when they wash the clothes. This is a simple way to make this. This whole bangagan pa siya. Ni bugat si awas. Ni bugat kaya si kan ginamit na tubig na padara na lang. This using only this. If you want a sharp pointing. Sharp pointing. This is a sharp pointing. And then making hole for drying or washing the clothes after they making the dryer. Then now uses the water to draining. Nahugaw na tubig pangawas tara. Dari bangagan. Use this little bucket. It's a simple way.